All right, guys. Like always, I love STEP, science, technology, engineering, and math. Now we have the Makeblock robot kit, or they call it mBot. This one. There's a lot of things we can do and integrate and different add-ons to this. It's like do it yourself. You control this with the Bluetooth, either Android or iOS devices, and I think it's a great idea to learn programming for the kids. How are you doing, everyone? My name is Dario from mediaboxentlab. All right. So again, I love what they call it STEP, science, technology, engineering, and math. And this one is a fun way if you want children to get involved in programming, because in the same time, I will show you, same time, not only they have fun, it's like a gaming interactive with the tablet. At the same time, you make things to do this. So kind of winning, and they show you all these cool things on the iPad with noises and all that. And in the same time, they learn how to program this. You can do the basic programming, or you can move all the way to part-time programming after that. So let me show you how the whole thing works right now. So let me show you some of the details of the unit. Now to build it, I would say it's pretty easy. I think you can build it in an hour or so. One of the things I like it, the whole thing is aluminum. It's not acrylic, so make it much easy to work. And the instructions are super clear, and we did an open box on this as well too. And you see, this is the main unit. This is the brain, runs in Arduino, and there's nice there are ports here where you can reprogram those ports. So I have this extra. I have this LED light, and it's on port 1, and we can send information to port 1. Or can be I can move that to port 2, whatever port. And we can reprogram. Allow you to use black as well too. So here we can build something out. There are LED lights can be in this, and we can add probes like a humidity pro, temperature pro. You can add all these things. Right. Well, this is a sensor. So if you draw a black line, but it's called follow the line. We have an ultrasound where it can measure distance or can stop if we put the hand out from. And again, you can change this. So when you wanted these motors, we worked with this before. They're pretty cool. They're pretty fast. Battery wise, I use 4 AA's. So right below here. The only thing is, when the batteries run out, you will have to take the 4 screw and put new batteries there. And you will have to program this with the computer, cancel all the instructions, and send the right code right to do whatever we're doing right now. All right, so it's pretty cool. So let me turn it on and show you some of the basics first. And like this, right? It starts, it keeps the signal that it's okay. If you press it around, it's going to go forward and it detects the ultrasound. So if we press it again, this one will go around, right? And it has a different the stop right there. So there has a different things you can do. One of those is actually follow the line. Now I think the best part of this is this part. We can control this one either with your phone, Android, or iPad. They use the Bluetooth. There are a few applications you can download, right, from Makeblock. So you just look at Makeblock and download it. There are a few for learning code and all that. But let me show you the basic one. So Makeblock, the main application. Okay, when I connect, it connected. If not, you can choose right in the beginning different project. But automatically knows where you need to connect it. I have to turn it on. So from here we can do code. We can build. We can create. We can expand. All right, and one is called play. Let me start with the play. Play is pretty simple. Hit play, and with this, we can see I'm live. Yes, I'm okay. Rotate for me for 3 seconds, and it goes and rotate for 3 seconds. Now, you want a really super speed. Now, batteries are run out right now. They will not do that for me. But if you press this, what happened? Because it's only the 2 wheels back, this thing goes like this. Let me press it. Didn't do it, because I think the battery is gone. But the idea is you press it, it goes like this. Another thing we can do, we can redesign that thing there. So I'm going to press right there, and we can delete this thing on real time as you see there. Or we can do whatever we want as you see there. Cool, real time, right? We can create different screens and save it there. We can sense noise. All right, you got it there, and we can turn the lights on and off there. Remember, there are things we can add here, so you can add more lights if you want. Now let's draw it. All right, so as you see, I can move forward, move it back, right? We can do whatever we want with this thing, and it's real cool, right? I love it. But the fun time with this, so that's driving. Then we have draw and run. So if you go like this, draw something out, you click there, and it's going to do exactly what I draw right over there. I did a small thing because it's a small table. Now my next thing is music. I can go and play music here, right? And then give you the jingle bells or whatever. They have some cool music there for you. My next one is a voice control. Go forward. And it goes forward, and it gives you all the command, go back, stop, and you can do that. Actually will give you there a few things. So that's the basic, right? So we see we can control it with iPad or a phone, Android. All right, so now we are on this main screen, and from here we can do right mBot, right? We can create. We're gonna show you that in a second. And this is the lighting part. So if you have the lighting add-ons, you can control with that, but I don't have that. So here we have a sequency, right? Another sequency here, or a speed. Right, and lighting, I don't have that one. So it depends, whatever you have you can use, but I'm going to show you my first one. So with this one, for the kids, you can learn programming. I'm going to press the first one. All right, so that panda in the palm is going to show you what to do. Let's say hello, I'm Robot, place here. Okay, and it says hello to you, right? And it kind of you win. Okay, so now press next. So on the next level, it's going to show you how to program that. So it's move forward. I'm going to move this block forward, and we can change the time here. Forward port 1 because of the motors, and we can change the time there or the speed we want. Hit play, and so for us as I go, it will unlock things. Okay, so this one we're going to connect this one again, and it goes forward and go backward. You see that? It's pretty cool. Let's go back into the main one and let's go create. So create, I was doing some of the code. So here it is actually unlocked right now. So this one I put right in forward, to cement, to right, and if I in temperature pro, I don't have a temperature pro right now, but if I hold play, I tell it stop, go forward, and here it says move. So here you see move, mini fan. If you put the fan right, a zero, there is a lot of things you can do. A star, right, show, right? So if you want to put a face, put 1. So you got a different sensors you can move forward, data, blocks, math, or you have the block here, or data in control here, right? If then do something else, wait until that, rotate that, so you can create and create the blocks by adding this, right? If the temperature is in that thing, or the humidity is that, change something else. Remember, and to get one of this right now, right? For have fun. How you do that? I'll leave you the link and right below this video. All right, guys. I'll see you next time. Bye.